How cute is that?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be reviewing this heads-up display that I got on Amazon, surprisingly for under 20 bucks. The nice thing about this heads-up display is that all you have to do is plug it into a USB port, wait for the 0 to display indicating that calibration is complete, and you're ready to go. It uses GPS to calculate the speed, and it also has automatic brightness adjustment, so you don't have to worry about adjusting settings for day and night. There's no Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to connect or anything like that, so it's a true plug-and-play device. So we're gonna unbox it, hook it up, and go ahead and test it out. All right, so taking it out of the box, we have our instruction manual here. It does come with the cord. The cable is a little over 6 feet long, and I like that it's long enough to route behind panels to hide it if you want to. It's USB-C on one end to plug into the device and USB-A on the other. So as long as your car has a USB port, you can just plug it in. In my case, I'll be plugging it in to my wireless charger right here. I did a video on this as well. That's another good product that you may want to check out if you haven't already. We have the device right here, which I'll pull out in a second and take a closer look at. And we have 2 pieces of tape that are going to be used to secure the device to your dash. And then finally, we have this piece here, which is the film that you're going to put on your windshield that's actually going to allow it to be displayed. So we'll set that there for now and go ahead and get this out. So this is the unit itself. It's going to sit like this on the dash wherever I decide to mount it, but it basically lights up here, and then from here, this is what reflects on the windshield and allows you to see the speed. Here's where your tape is going to go back here. Here is the USB-C input, and that's pretty much it. It has this little hood to help block the light. So right there, plug it in, and you can see it lit up. So I placed it up here, as you can see. I can see it just fine from where I'm sitting. The sun is like right in the way right here. All right, guys, so I repositioned it here, which is a little bit over and a little bit higher. So from here to there is a pretty big difference. So just driving, you have a much easier time of actually seeing it. And again, it's up to personal preference. If you want it way up here, you can do that too, so it's directly in your line of sight. One thing too this will help with is when I do 0 to 60s, now I don't have to worry about trying to look down here. So I could keep my eyes on the road and more easily see when I actually hit 60. So all right, guys, so I have the wires tucked in and everything's good to go. And as you can see, it's not on right now, but when I start the car, it turns on with the car. So this is what it looks like from the outside. It is pretty noticeable. So not a deal breaker, just something to be aware of. So if you don't like the look of that window sticker, you can still see it during the daytime. As you see right there, it's just not going to be as visible. This is with the sticker off, like I said, so I can still see it clearly. You're going to get a sharper image with the sticker up there for sure, but this isn't bad. So I have it in the garage now with the sticker off. During the day, like I said, it's still visible without the sticker up there, but at nighttime, you're definitely going to be able to see it without a problem. Are you able to see it?
Yeah.
It's lined up with you in a different, that's the position you would drive in? Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool then. I was just testing that out because we sit in different positions when we drive, obviously. Mm-hmm. So I was just curious to see if it would, if you'd be able to see it.
No, I see it. I probably would have the seat up. right here. But no, I still
still can see it?
Yeah. Oh, that's cute.
So you can see at night the speed is clearly visible. It's not too bright or dim. The only thing that you need to be aware of with this is to ensure that it's calibrated before you begin driving. Like I mentioned previously, you want to wait until it shows a 0 up there. If it's showing the lines only, then that means that it's not yet calibrated. But as long as you do that, you should be good to go. So if you're interested in this heads-up display, I left a link to our Amazon storefront where we earn a commission so you can pick it up. If you aren't subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on other products like this. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when we drop new content, and we'll see you next time.